Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry World. Today I will discuss with you noise video tutorial. So please subscribe my channel Chemistry World. So let's start our topic by the definition of noise pollution. What is the definition of noise pollution? What is the main thing that we call noise pollution? Noise pollution is defined as any unwanted or excess sound that disrupt the normal functioning of humans, animals or the environment. It means that noise pollution is the excessive sound that disturb our calm and peaceful life. It is an undesirable and harmful form of environmental pollution that can cause various physical and physiological human problems in air loss, hypertension, sleep disturbance and decreased productivity. So these all diseases are caused by the noise pollution that is from the different sources of our environment that we discussed later. So first here we can see the definition. Next are the causes of noise pollution. Which factors cause the noise pollution? So there are many causes of noise pollution, including first one is transportation. We know very well that transportation is the main source of noise pollution. Traffic on roads, airplanes flying overhead and trains, horns are some of most common sources of the noise pollution. This is the first cause. Next we will see the another cause, that is the industrial activity. Industrial activities, machinery, equipment including factories, construction sites and generator can also produce loud and disruptive noise level that can also disturb our life. Next main cause is the urbanization. Urbanization is the increased population in the cities that led to an increase in the noise pollution due to an increased number of vehicles, buildings and other source of noise. We know very well that urbanization is also a main source of this. Next one is the construction. Construction activities including drilling, blasting, pile driving can produce high level of noise pollution also. This is another cause and we cannot neglect this main cause. And next one is the recreational activities. Sports events, concerts, musical nights and festivals can also contribute to noise pollution because sounds of songs and etc is also causes. Next we will see the effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution can have a range of negative effects on human health as well as the environment. First one is the hearing loss. The main cause of the hearing loss is the noise pollution. Exposure to high levels of noise over time can lead to the hearing loss, which can be temporary or to be permanent. So this is the main effect of the noise pollution to humans. Next one is the mental health issues. Noise pollution can lead to a stress, anxiety and other mental health issues which can also a negative impact on quality of life. Mental issues are also caused by this. Next one is the sleep disturbance. Noise pollution can also disrupt sleep, causing insomnia and other sleep disorders, which is sleeplessness is one of the main problem for the disturbance of life that is caused by the noise pollution. And another effect of noise pollution is the environmental damage. How noise pollution can damage our environment? It is also a negative effect on wildlife, disrupting communication, migration patterns and other behaviors in our society can also affected by the noise pollution. These are all the effects of noise pollution. Now we will see the prevention from noise pollution. How we can prevent from noise pollution? It's require a combination of individual and collective efforts. First one is the earplugs. Yes, use of earplugs can decrease the noise level during the hearing of songs or other activities take place on the different activities or festivals. Next one is the maintain vehicles. Keep your car or other vehicle in good condition to reduce engine and exhaust noise. Yes, the main source of noise from the vehicles is the engine sound. Next one is the reduce sound emission. Yes, use quieter machinery and equipment or install sound barriers to reduce sound emission from the sources such as factories, generators and construction site. This is the another prevention to reduce the level of noise pollution from our environment by reducing the sound emission and using the different sound barriers. Next one is the control noise at home. How we can control noise level at home? to prevent from the noise pollution at domestic level. Use low noise appliances, maintain household devices properly, and limit noise level from entertainment systems. We can also use earplugs at home to control the noise pollution also. This is the another factor or another point to reduce the noise level at home and also reduce the noise pollution from our environment, because many health problems are caused by this. So this is the overall noise pollution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.